Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to change the subject of a formula. There's three lots of practice questions for this one. This is the first. So what I'd like you to do is to pause the video, rearrange each of these four questions to make the letter in the brackets the subject of the formula. When you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers with me. So pause the video now and have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these four questions together. We need to make the A the subject of the formula. So basically we need A on its own and the rest of the letters or numbers on the other side of the equals. Question 1 then. Very straightforward. We want A on its own, so we need to move the 4. Well, to get rid of this 4, because we're times in, we'd be dividing both sides by 4. So if I divide 4A by 4, I'm left with A, but the best way to show this is to move that 4 over to the other side and divide the B by the 4. So this time, to make A the subject, A is going to equal B divided by 4. Try and get used to showing in division like this as a fraction. This is how we show it most of the time in algebra. Question 2 then. This time we need to make x the subject. Now we've got to do this in two stages. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to take this x, of which I'm dividing on the left hand side, I'm going to multiply. So I need to multiply the c by the x. So the first step would be to show 2a equals c times x. Now what I can do to make x the subject, I can get rid of the c and I can move the c over and divide the other side by c. So I'm going to end up with x equals 2a divided by c. Question 3. Two steps again here. We need to make c the subject, so we need to leave c where it is. Well, let's start off by moving this negative b over to the other side and adding it. So the first step would be to have 4c equals y plus b. And then what we're going to do to make c the subject is move the 4 over and divide the other side by 4. So I'm going to finish off, I'm going to have c equals y plus b all divided by 4. And finally, question 4. This time we need to make b the subject. Well, I'm going to multiply out these brackets first. So if I do 6 times 2b, I get 12b. If I then do 6 times c, I get plus 6c, and that equals t. Now I need to move the 6c over, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 6c over here and take it away. So I'm going to take away 6c. That's now going to leave me with 12b equals t minus 6c. Remember, I need to make b the subject, so I need to now move the 12. So if I move that 12 over and divide by 12, I'm going to be left with b is going to be equal to t minus 6c divided by 12.